In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Xero from scratch in about 5 minutes. If you're new to Xero or looking to make the switch to this cloud-based accounting software, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the basic steps to get you started, ensuring your business has the tools it needs for effective financial management. First things first, head over to the Xero website. It's quite straightforward. On the homepage, you'll notice a variety of options. But for our purposes today, we're looking for the Try Xero for Free button. Xero offers a trial period, which is great for getting a feel of the platform before committing. Clicking this button is your first step towards setting up your account. Once you've made the decision to try Xero for free, you'll be taken to a new page where you'll need to fill out some basic details about yourself and your business. This information is critical as it helps Xero customize your experience. Be prepared to enter your name, your business name, and your contact information, including your email address. It's a simple form, but make sure you enter your details accurately to avoid any hiccups down the road. After you've filled out the necessary information, the next step involves agreement to the terms of service. You'll see a checkbox labelled I agree. It's important to check this box, but only after you've taken a moment to read through the terms and conditions. Knowing what you're agreeing to is essential, especially when it involves your business's financial data. Next comes a security measure. Xero uses CAPTCHA to ensure that sign-ups are genuine and to protect users from automated software attempts. Completing the CAPTCHA is a straightforward task, usually requiring you to identify images or type in characters from a provided image. It's a quick step, but an important one for maintaining the integrity of your account. Once you've successfully navigated the CAPTCHA, you're ready to hit the Next button. This button will take you closer to finalizing your account setup. However, before you proceed, Xero needs to ensure that you are indeed the person setting up this account. This leads us to one of the most crucial steps in the process: verifying your email address. Upon clicking Next, Xero will send a verification link to the email address you provided earlier. You must access your email account, find the email from Xero, and click on the verification link. This step is paramount as it secures your account and confirms that your email address is valid and accessible by you. Sometimes the verification email might land in your spam or junk folder, so be sure to check there if you don't see it in your inbox within a few minutes. Clicking the verification link in the email will finalize the account creation process, and voila, you are now the proud owner of a Xero account. From this point, you can start exploring the Xero dashboard, set up your financial information, connect your bank accounts, and begin the enjoyable journey of managing your business finances with ease and precision. Remember, setting up Xero is just the beginning. Take advantage of Xero's numerous resources and community forums to get the most out of your experience. Don't be afraid to experiment with different features and customize your setup to perfectly fit your business needs. That's it for today's tutorial on how to set up Xero from scratch. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or require further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or consult Xero's extensive support documentation. Happy accounting, and here's to the success of your business with Xero by your side.